In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter shipping requests. From the main screen, access the Stallion management and let's go for shipping requests. The list is going to show, and to add a new request, you click on the plus button. Make sure that your stallions have been set accordingly. You can click on the check on the box to grab all your stallions, and likewise you can click here and grab the mares. Person requesting would be the person on the phone. If this is a cooled or semen, what type of carry of the shipping method, the place you're shipping to. This shipping to is coming from the mare side on the agent file. If I click here on the mare, it's going to pop up the mare, and the agent here on the file of the mare is the one that is suggested for the place as shipping to. If that file has an email address, Wise Option is going to give the email address right over here. You can determine if the mare is going to be carrying or embryo transfer. We're going to study about the flags and unable later on when we are working with the board. But these options here are optional fields that we are going to work with the board, because we have a board for the shipping requests on the day. And with the email address in place, Wise Option is going to send automatically an insemination feedback request 32 days post shipping date. You click on the Save button, and the record is going to be entered automatically into Wise Option for you. I did pause the video for a second because my dates over here were not set properly. So make sure that the date range is correct, and once you refresh, the shipping request is going to show in the list. So today you've learned how to enter shipping requests into Wise Option Stallion Management. Thanks for watching.